Hi friends, let's talk about some of the simple tips to take care of ears. One of the first and the foremost thing which I can remember is that avoid putting buds. This is a common misconception in the mind of people thinking that earbuds are meant to be put in the ear and clean the ear. This is an olden practice which should not be continued further because ear has got a self-cleansing mechanism. When the ear removes the wax or the dead skin, which is commonly the wax is made up of. Wax is made up of dead skin, sweat and the dust from outside. The wax which is formed inside the ear is self-cleaned by the ear by itself. So we are not supposed to put anything inside the ear to clean the ear. If those people who are having tortuous or long ear canal and the ear gets clogged with wax very often, can put wax dissolvent drops and the wax comes out by itself. If the wax in these cases do not come out by itself, you can visit an ENT surgeon and get your ear cleaned under direct vision, either by suction microscopy or by syringing. But earbuds should never be used. What happens if you use the earbud? In case if you are using the earbuds, the wax get pushed more inside, and while removing later on it becomes more painful and difficult. Sometimes you may injure the ear skin, or even more severely, even the tympanic membrane or the eardrum might get injured by the buds, and it can cause ear bleeding and severe pain, and if the eardrum gets injured, even deafness, which may require operation for the closing the perforation in the eardrum. So friends, earbuds should never be used. Second thing is, never put oil in the ear. People say it's an old age tradition to put oil to keep the ear healthy. Those were the tradition when there were no common ear drops or ear examination facilities. But nowadays ear drops should never be used because putting ear drops can lead to ear infection, especially fungal ear infection, which can be severely painful with ear discharge and damage the eardrum. So oils should never be put in any age group, which is commonly seen in small children, newborn infants, where they are more dangerous. Avoid letting water going inside the ear. As far as possible, avoid using hand shower because the water directly sometimes may hit the eardrum and may rupture the eardrum. One of the most important things which I can think about taking care of the ear is avoid exposure to loud sound. Yes, the younger generation, because of craze of loud sound, either in the form of exposure to DJ music or loud sound in the form of music at the time of festivals, should be avoided because they can cause direct injury to the eardrum, and very severely they can cause sensory neural hearing loss. What is sensory neural hearing loss? This is a hearing loss which occurs due to exposure to loud sound, especially seen in young individuals, which is very severe, and unfortunately if it is not treated promptly at a right time can be irreversible, where the person will never be able to hear from that ear any time in future. People should avoid exposure to loud sound, either in any form, because loud sound can cause severe damage to the ear.